You need to haul heavy equipment or construction materials, but you just don't want the upfront cost. Gooseneck trailers come in a variety of sizes and styles, including both open and enclosed trailers. The most common application for a gooseneck style trailer is for heavy equipment hauling because of its superior maneuvering and load distribution. And gooseneck trailers often have applications that include hauling skid steers, tractors, excavators, and other type of agricultural and construction equipment. NC Trailers makes financing your gooseneck trailer easy and affordable. We have flexible financing options to choose from. We have secured loans, we have rent to own, we even have layaway. We also have no credit check options, and we can get fast and easy approvals same day for all credit types. We can even spread out your payments to keep more cash in your pocket. So our quick and easy financing program rolls your registration, a winch, tie down straps, and any other accessories you might need into one low monthly payment. Simply apply, sign, and drive all in the same day. Since 1996, NC Trailers has sold and serviced over 10,000 trailers. We're the #1 rated dealer in the Carolinas with over 1,400 5-star Google reviews. And with over 400 new and used trailers in stock today, our family owned business specializes in getting the best financing options for contractors, businesses, adventure seekers, farmers, and everyone in between. If you want more details, you can check out our ultimate guide to gooseneck trailer financing. And if you're ready to go ahead and get started with financing, you can always give us a call or you can fill out our financing form today and we'll get you rolling with the perfect gooseneck trailer.